You and I have seen it like before, but I have never seen this polarity between a Carl Riccadonna of Bloomberg telling me there's going to be rate increases and Daniel Morrison in the last hour modeling the potential of a rate cut. Boy, it's a wide dispersion.
It's wide, Tom, and remember where we were in December was emphatically the Fed's going to raise rates not twice, maybe three, four times. How much we've shifted since then.
Well, with GDP, and I get you adjust 3.2% down. Chris Lowe of FTH with a brilliant note yesterday on a softer personal income. Which is it?
I think the personal income consumption numbers will come back. I think there's an anomaly in there because every place I travel, every CEO I talk to, good consumption, wages are rising, minimum wages are rising. Even the lowest common denominator, skilled labor, they're getting a pay boost as well. So I think the consumer is going to come back and hold growth closer to that 3% in Q2, Q3.
So, Joe, you're expecting inflation to come back up to what we were expecting it to. How do you explain this kind of shift in inflation expectations?
I mean, Francine, that's a great question in the sense that is it productivity-led? Is it the global supply chains? Is it doing more with less? I think it's all of the above. It's still missing here. But I don't think we're going to see any big wage push coming on prices that kind of surprises us and has the Fed move faster than they have to. So inflation very dormant, good growth. It's very benign backdrop for equities here in the United States and globally.
Right, but Joe, is it really only financial conditions that kind of give you, an idea that we're not going to see something ugly in the world economy, or are you looking at something else?
No, I mean, I think, oil prices were a little scared there, but there's a lot of excess capacity that we have out of Saudi Arabia, even here in the United States. The emerging market inflows look pretty robust. Dollar-denominated debt is manageable in many parts of the world, notably in China. China's doing their part to reflate. I'm very surprised by the European numbers. That's another great story when it comes to grinding out higher global growth. So there'll be a surprise. Right. I think it's going to be more policy, but it could be election.